Hello everyone, let's begin our course project. Our focus will be on creating a map that highlights water management and erosion risks in the Los Andes province, Chile. There are two methods for creating a new map in ArcGIS Online. Let's explore both of them. Firstly, navigate to the Map tab located on the top bar of the main page of our account. Clicking this will open the map viewer. From here, we should switch to the Map Viewer Classic. The second method involves using the Content tab. Return to the Content tab and click on Map once again. As before, switch to the Map Viewer Classic. Now let's center our map on the Los Andes province. Use the search bar to find it, then press Enter to zoom in. Once we have the desired view, it's time to save our map. Enter a title and some relevant tags. Ensure the folder selection is correct. It should save in the My First Map folder. After clicking Save Map, our creation will be stored. To locate our map, go back to the Content tab. Here you can see the map listed. From this point, you have the option to move it, share it, or delete it as needed. This sets the stage for our upcoming classes. Looking forward to seeing you all then.